Here's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. Features include smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. The Car Connection writes, Toyota Corolla continues to offer reliable, inexpensive transportation with a bit of flair and new, easy-to-use infotainment systems. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.